Hi friends, today will be a short video about this type of Parkside saw, PSSAP2028 A1 version, which went faulty just because the root cause of probably lack of lubricant in this gear, and together with the dust and mess around here, and probably the bed material, which should be around here. There was some kind of wall around here which held this counterweight to escape from this circular motion. This counterweight works as a counterweight for the saw blade. So what exactly happened? It worked. Engine is or not engine, I'm sorry, motor is brushless and looks quite durable. Bearings are also okay, and electronics is probably also original, but this counterweight is not the whole circle. It's only like 45 or 60 degrees of the whole circumference. So probably those edges, this one and this, or this one, depends on the direction of rotation, just grind it through this plastic around here, and it grind it until the plastic was completely gone. It just flown away and was stuck in the position that this was turned like non-concentrical. This was not concentrical already, and just fly away through this hole. So probably the solution of this problem would be to 3D print some half circle or 3/4 of this circle, and make it like continuous wheel, which from plastic will have almost no weight in comparison with this counterweight, and these edges will not grind into the casing. So our second solution is probably to find out some metal, probably aluminium or better brass ring, and to put the brass ring right around this counterpart to provide the better friction pair for this counterweight. You can see a third solution, which is most simple, but I'm not sure about its longevity. It is simple. It is take an angle grinder and make this leading edge of this counterweight a little bit smaller, a little bit under an angle, so it will not cut with this sharp edge, and it will just allow the lubricant to flow between this part and the casing of the saw. So it's a relatively cheap product. I think it's about 50 euros in average, very roughly, and it's a little bit pity just because of the ordinary part failed, and all other functions of the saw was okay. So if you buy this one, take care about proper lubrication of this, and probably try to sketch some 3D model and cover the all, or I don't know, I'm sorry for my English, just make this circle complete to prevent this leading edges to grind into the plastic. So probably that's for today. Keep fixing your tools, keep doing your job, and good luck. Ciao.